All right, good morning YouTube. Welcome back to the beautiful state of Colorado. Today is gonna be a little different. I'm actually driving down to the Lamborghini dealership here in Denver, Colorado. Mike Ward Maserati. There was a Lamborghini that I saw that I was thinking about putting on the YouTube channel and for Instagram. So anyhow, submitted an offer yesterday on it and I didn't hear back from them. So I was a little upset. So today I'm gonna cruise down there in my white van in my nasty apparel. Okay, I got my boots on. Okay, I'm gonna show up in my white work van and see what kind of responses I get out of these people. So anyhow, I'll probably do some filming inside Mike Ward, and then I want to submit another offer on the Lamborghini that I'm looking at and see what comes out of it. So anyhow, something I've been wanting to do. And put some decals on it for the channel, but we'll see. So anyhow, all right, we'll see if it's gonna be a good morning. All right, let's go to the van. So we know that it's not every day a construction worker just walks inside a Lamborghini dealership looking all beat up. He's got his work clothes on, so that part's gonna be kind of funny. But hey man, you work hard, you get to play hard. So we'll see what kind of responses I get. And started the YouTube channel and Instagram, so I was like, well, you know, maybe it's time to start implementing everything together. So that's kind of like where I'm at right now. The vision was to you know, put my construction decals all over the Lamborghini, do some meet and greets with people, take it to Home Depot, you know, show it off, let people sit inside of it, kind of like let the community also enjoy the Lamborghini, you know, for content. But you know, we'll see what happens. So it was just the vision that I had. I don't know if it's gonna work. It might. It's documented now, so we'll see. But I got to get the Lamborghini first. Now I can go a little higher on the Lamborghini, but this is what I wanted to be very cautious of, and I'm sure a lot of you guys feel the same way. So I don't want to overbuy the Lamborghini Gallardo, because what happens if I do have to sell it down the road, or I just don't want to take a loss on it. So if I over purchase it on the purchase price, when I go to sell it, it may be, let's say it's worth back down to 95 or 90,000 for that matter, and I purchased it for 110. So now I'm in the hole quite a few dollars, you know? So that's what I was trying to avoid, but I don't know if I'm gonna be able to avoid that. I might have to just meet somewhere in the middle with these guys, because they know that they can get these crazy inflated pricing. And you know, this one that I'm looking at, it's on consignment, so the owner knows that he can get more for his Lambo. So I was just like blown away by that. I'm like, man, so now I might have to wait another year or even 2 years to purchase it. But by then, all my hair will be gone and my back will hurt so bad I can't even get out of the damn thing. So times are the essence, if you know what I'm saying. But anyhow, we'll have some fun down there. Okay, we're getting closer. We got Mike Ward Maserati. Let's see if they let me in the building. Wow, look at that clear. Okay, I'm here in the white van. Hey, how's it going, man?
Good, how are you?
Where's the sales office?
Which brand?
Lamborghini?
Yeah, so if you go right through that door in the back corner.
Oh.
Straight ahead and a salesman building.
Oh, okay,
yeah.
cool, man.
Of course.
Are these already sold?
I'm pretty sure, yeah.
Wow.
Customers coming to look at this one, and then, yeah, this is the customers.
Oh, okay. It's beautiful. Wow, look at this. All right, so let's go inside and see what kind of car I was looking for. Oh, I think this is the 488. Ah, it's beautiful. It's a 488 Spider. Oh. Check out this beautiful wrap. This is an LP 560. Here we go. Oh, look at that. That's what I'm talking about. They got the skis on top. Wow. So it's crazy no one's talking to me right now. They all just ignored me coming in. Isn't that terrible? Absolutely terrible. That's why I wanted to come looking like crap. This is beautiful. It is unfortunate how people stereotype sometimes based off your looks, you know. You pull up in a crazy pedovan. I wouldn't want to do business with myself either. Can't blame them, can't blame them. It's human nature. These are beautiful. Hey, anybody work here?
I do. Do you need a signature?
No, I want to. No, I don't need a signature. I was trying to see if you guys still have that Gallardo on the website.
The 05?
Yeah, I want to take a look at that.
Yeah, actually.
I'm sorry, I thought you were a transporter.
No, it's cool.
Okay.
Because he's famous.
Signature?
Yeah, that's what he meant. Yeah, no, it's cool.
Yeah, man, let me grab the key real quick for you.
What's your name?
Luke.
You're Luke.
I'm Luke.
I've been talking to you.
Have you?
Yes.
Have I been talking to you?
Yes.
Fantastic. What's your name?
Ryan.
Ryan, cool, man.
Yeah,
Thanks.
yeah.
Thanks for
Anyway, I
coming
want to
by.
come look at it, dude.
Yeah, brother,
'cause
absolutely.
I had some time between job sites. So.
Cool. Yeah, let me grab the key real
All right,
quick, dude.
cool. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. So I don't know if you guys just heard that. I don't want to embarrass a poor young man, but he thought I was signing for something because of the way it looked. That's hilarious. Bless their hearts. They're good people. We'd all do the same thing. Wow, look at these vehicles down here. This is insane. All right, so I'm gonna speak with Luke, see if we could do this deal or not.
So check it out, man. You like a bottle of water?
Yeah, actually, what?
Yeah.
Okay, here's the Gallardo. Did you talk to him?
Who's that? Oh.
The owner?
No, I have not talked to him quite yet. Just got a clutch reading on it the other day. It's 0.669.
Oh, you got it. Yeah, yeah. What was it?
It's 0.669.
Give me a, what does that mean?
It's pretty much brand new.
Oh, okay. So you're like 85%? Okay.
Yeah.
Sorry, I'm still learning about all these cars here. Man, it's beautiful. And you said this has the front lift?
It does, yep. It's got the
Okay.
lip. Yeah, there's a button in there I can show you.
Alright.
That raises up that front end.
Did he say when his last oil change was on this?
He did not.
Did you guys do a check on everything?
Yeah, we did an inspection on it. Yeah, I can get that inspection, see what we'll pull up on it. I know it needs some work in terms of making it perfect.
Yeah.
It's a chunk of things. But granted, to make these cars perfect, this makes it pretty tough.
Oh yeah, they're never ending. There we go, cold start. Battery dead.
More common than not with these cars if you don't have it on the triple charger.
Yeah, I was gonna say. I wonder how old the battery is too. Can you pop this too for me?
Yeah, I honestly have no idea where to do that. I don't know if it's a button inside.
So we got a dead battery, unfortunately. Hopefully they could jump it or get a trickle charge on it. I don't think you jump these though. You might fry the system, right?
You put it on a couple batteries, so a couple different jump boxes.
Okay.
Just 2 batteries in a car.
So make sure I got no tools in my back pocket. I've stabbed enough car seats.
Yeah, we can't afford it on this one.
No. Interior looks pretty clean. Got a Rockford Fosgate, Kenwood, so aftermarket.
Okay. It's yeah, to open it up right behind your head, I think.
Right behind my head.
Yeah, they said it's right behind the headrest there. So.
How long have you been working here?
At this store?
Yeah.
Let's see, about a year and a half, but I've been with the company for almost 7 years now.
Oh wow, that's good. That's the nice thing about having dirty clothes, right?
And then they're getting dirty.
Yep. So just checking out under here, just making sure there's no leaks or anything. At this point, I'm going to turn off the video. So I just wanted to pinpoint on a few things. So one, I wasn't greeted when I first walked in. 2, they thought I was a transporter, dropping off or signing for something based off my appearance. 3, didn't offer to charge the car and come back for a test drive. 4, he never gave my counter offer to the consignment owner, which was upsetting because I was really serious about this car. And this wasn't in the video, but when I told him to go call the owner, he said, okay, I'm gonna go call the owner, I'll get back with you here in a bit. I'm walking around the car, he locks the car on me. I can't even inspect it, I can't do anything with it. He locks the car on me. So I don't know if he thought that he didn't trust me or what, but I was kind of insulted by that. I was like, dude, you just locked the car on me. You don't trust me? There's cameras everywhere. So anyhow, so I felt bad about that. And lo and behold, he leaves, and I don't see him for at least an hour and a half to almost 2 hours. I'm walking around the building, filming other cars. I don't hear a peep from this guy. So finally I get upset and I leave and I go to the Ferrari dealership and see what they have on their lot. So long story short, 5 hours goes by. I said, you know what? I'm not gonna deal with this. I'm gonna call the sales manager or whoever's in charge of customer service. I call them, I explain to them what's going on and leave a voicemail. So I got a voicemail. Later in the day, the salesman calls me. Hey, I just want to check up on you. I wasn't able to get in touch with the owner. However, I did leave a message about your counteroffer. Then 2 minutes later, then the sales manager gives me a call and says, oh, hey, sorry for your bad experience today. I'm going to do some training with the sales associate and everybody else that was involved. I apologize that we misjudged your character today. And so I was like, yeah, it was kind of degrading in a way. And, you know, I just felt like everything compiled into one experience was just overwhelming. I mean, I could see 1 or 2 mishaps, but there was 5 or 6 mishaps that had happened. So yeah, I was finally like upset about it. So check this out. So he goes, okay, well, since we know you do YouTube and all this, we're gonna do a special presentation for you if the sale goes through. I'm gonna call you back on Monday. Guess what, guys? Today's Monday. I didn't get a call from the sales manager or from the salesman. I don't know. So there's gonna be a part 2 to this video. So I went ahead and looked up another salesman. And if this goes through tomorrow morning, which would be Tuesday, then I will put his name and information, if he chooses, down in the link in this video. So that way, if anybody in Denver is looking for a supercar, you guys can find that salesman. So there'll be a part 2 to this video on the actual purchasing of this vehicle. But anyhow, let me know your guys' thoughts. Has anybody ever gone through this? Because I don't know if I'm blowing this out of proportion, but I think there's enough information on the video to say that I was kind of, you know, misjudged on this. I didn't think it was going to be this bad being a Lamborghini dealership. Now, their motto is to treat everybody the same. I don't know. You guys judge for yourself. Was I treated fairly in this, being that I was a ready and willing and able buyer? You know, I had the funds in my back pocket, and I was ready to drive this Lamborghini off the showroom floor, and they didn't give me the opportunity to do it. So I felt that my character was misjudged in this, and I'm just blown away by it. Just blown away by it. So anyhow, leave your comments below, subscribe, and please leave your comments below, because I want to hear this from everybody. If you guys have felt this before, am I overblowing it? I don't know. So anyhow, so part 2, you might see the actual purchase of this vehicle. I'm not done yet, and we'll see if there's going to be another salesman involved now. I don't know. So anyhow, all right, Vinny the Handyman signing out. I'll talk to you guys soon. Thanks for watching. Take care.